The standing cable triceps pushdown with curl bar targets all three heads of the tricep muscles, including the long head, lateral head, and medial head. Using a curl bar allows for a more ergonomic grip, which can reduce strain on your wrists. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a curl bar to the high pulley of a cable machine. Stand facing the cable machine with your feet shoulder-width apart for stability with a slight bend in your knees. Grab the curl bar with an overhand, palms facing downward grip with your hands placed about shoulder-width apart or slightly wider. Use the natural curves of the curl bar to find the most comfortable grip width for your wrists. Begin with your elbows bent with the bar positioned at about chest level. Keep your chest upright and shoulders back to avoid leaning forward with your core engaged. Ensure your upper arms and elbows stay stationary and tucked close to your torso throughout the movement. Do not let them flare outward or use momentum, as this will reduce the contraction on the triceps. Exhale as you extend your elbows to push the bar straight down. Focus on using your triceps to press the bar down while avoiding using your shoulders or upper back. Straighten your arms at the bottom of the movement without locking out your elbows. Pause briefly at the bottom of the movement and squeeze your triceps for maximum contraction. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows to return the bar to the starting position at chest level. Complete each rep in a slow and controlled manner to maintain tension on your triceps and avoid letting the weight slam. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.